Press your hand against a table. Solid meets solid. Contact. Every textbook definition of touch says the same thing. Two objects meeting. Matter against matter. It feels like the most certain fact in the world. It is also, strictly speaking, false. Here is the crack in that story. Atoms are almost entirely empty space. If an atom were a cathedral, its nucleus would be a fly hovering at the altar, and long before two atoms could ever meet, their outer electrons push back hard. What you feel as touch is electromagnetic repulsion. The electron clouds of your hand and the electron clouds of the table carry the same negative charge, and like charges repel. Quantum mechanics adds a second wall, the Pauli exclusion principle, which forbids electrons from crowding into the same state. So you hover. Right now, you are floating about a nanometer above your chair, above the floor, above everything you have ever held. Pressure sensors in your skin read the force of that repulsion, and your brain names it contact. The meeting itself never happens. This is not a new idea. In 1785, Charles Augustin de Coulomb measured the law of that repulsive force. In 1925, Wolfgang Pauli found the exclusion principle that keeps matter from collapsing through itself, and Richard Feynman later made the conclusion famous: you have never truly touched anything in your life. And we can watch it happen. An atomic force microscope hovers a needle one atom wide above a surface it never touches and maps the repulsion directly. The force rises as the gap closes, atom by atom, until the instrument has drawn a portrait of matter from the push alone. One honest caveat. At the quantum scale, an electron has no sharp edge and no exact location. Its position is smeared into a cloud of probability. So whether two overlapping clouds count as touching is a question of definition, not of physics. Nature does not draw the line, we do. But do not let that make the world feel colder. Every handshake, every held hand, every hug you have ever felt was fields meeting fields, force answering force across a gap too small to see. Nothing ever touched, and it still counted.